Welcome to the video from thedigital.com. I'm back outside because I'm going to be installing these Twinkly C9 bulbs, festive lights, Christmas lights. I'm going to be putting them outside the house. Last year I put out the icicles, Twinkly Icicles, 140 icicles, and they were great. I really like those. This year I've added those with the C9 bulbs. There's 40 of these. This is £189 this set, and you can do all the special mappings and everything else, which we're going to look at in this video. So the first job is to place them out. I'll also place out the icicles as well, but I'll just set these up initially, and then I'll show you how we can map the two together. So we've got two different sets, different types of lights, and we can link them together. Okay, so in the box we've got the instructions, all the lights, and the UK power adapter. So you can see the style of these lights. They're the indoor or outdoor bulb type ones, and so I'm going to fit those across the top of the house, and one with the icicles as well. So this is the smart bit. This bit connects to your smart home. You use your phone to set this up. It's pretty simple. I'll show you how to do that in a second. So the first job I'm going to do is actually get it paired up before I go and fit them outside. Okay, so I've powered them on now, and now I'm ready to pair these up. I've already paired up my other twinkle lights, so it's just to add these in. So this is the device, so I can hold down the button on there and put it into pairing mode, and then I need to switch and get the app open to do that. Add a light on the app. So now I'm going to choose the type, so I'll choose the generation 2. Right, it's already detected that, so I can say next. I'm going to use the local Wi-Fi network, so it's my home Wi-Fi, and now we send the Wi-Fi credentials down to this device. It's connected currently using Bluetooth, so it's remembered my credentials, but you could type those in. So now it's connecting those up. That's connected, so I've just got to do a firmware update, as you have to do on everything smart home nowadays, and then we should be able to just see that they work before I actually install them outside. Okay, so I've just powered them on, it's just connected, done a firmware update. I can give them a name and then I can save it. So I'm just going to name it C9 for now, and we're going to map the lights later, because that's the clever bit with these. So let's get them fitted first. Just before I hook these up, I just wanted to show how these have got little clips on here. So I'm going to be putting these on my gutter. So I'm going to use this clip to clip it over the sort of the edge of the gutter. I have also got some of these gutter type clips, and in the past I've also used these kind of springy clips as well, but I think for these I'm going to be using the clip on there. Right, so I'm just going to do the mapping now. I'm trying to get it all in one frame. I can just about, so I can do that. So now we can apply different effects. Now I'm going to come out later when it's dark to show you the sort of the completed effects. But you can see the overlay on the video there. That's what it's to try to apply those effects. So I can apply that, and that's applied those effects. Now what I'm actually going to do now is the icicles. I'm going to link, try to make sure you can see this on the camera, I'm going to link an area together, so two separate ones. So I'm going to link, we can use the camera mapping, so select the groups we want, the C9 and the icicles. Let's call it outside. I'm not sure you can quite see this on my screen, but so now we're going to do the mapping again. My Alexa has spotted that as well, so let's do the mapping again. So I'm just going to move this camera angle right round. So I've just done the mapping. I went and stood quite far back from that, so that's done. So now I've got an outside group, which is the combination of the two. So you can see I've got outside and then my two indoor ones. So that's linked them together. So when I create a pattern, it's going to be based on both sets of light, not just the icicles or the C9s. But of course you don't have to do that. You can just have the ones set together. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch this off, and we're going to come back out when it's dark to give them a test. I just want to say a couple of things as well. Through this app we can set up patterns, we can set schedules, all that kind of thing, which I will be doing, but we'll do that when it's dark. So I've got the app set up on here now, so I can choose one. So I'm gonna go for, let's go for this sunset one. Let's apply that one. So you can see how these patterns are working together on the two different sets of lights, and I think they look really great then. So like you see, the ones over here on this side here are just the ones on their own, the C9s, and I've got them in combination there. So the next thing for me to do is to create a playlist. So you can create a playlist and you can add all the different effects. So I'm going to go snow, I'm going to add the horizontal flag, let's add the diagonal and sunset, and you can design your own as well. So let's add the rainbow stripe, and we can add, I think we can have 15 of these. So let's go with that one as well, and one final one. Let's go with that neon, so I apply that. So there you go. So we're running that playlist now on here, and I could set this on a schedule to come on whatever times I want, and I said we could just have it on solid colours if we want, but I like this one. So this is now cycling through those playlists. So the first one was the snow, and then we're gonna get the horizontal flag in a second. There we go. And then we're going to get the diagonal and so on. So that's a quick look at the C9s and combine them with the icicles. The C9s are £189 Amazon. You want to know more about the icicles, check out my video from last year. I've got some other Twinkly videos as well, well worth checking out. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.